Welcome. In the next few minutes, we shall show you how easy it is to connect your new Radiator Thermostat to your Bosch Smart Home system. Your Smart Home Radiator Thermostat allows you to control each room to your individual desired temperature. For the installation, you will need your Radiator Thermostat and maybe the adapters that come with the accessories supplied with it, a pre-installed Smart Home Controller, possibly a screwdriver and a pipe wrench, plus a smartphone with the Bosch Smart Home App. First, start the app. This will guide you through the process with simple step-by-step instructions. In the main menu, select Device Management, then Add New Device, and Scan to automatically connect the device to the system. Scan the QR code in the battery compartment of the device. Alternatively, you can add your device manually. To do this, select the thermostat from the device list and enter the serial number and the key of your device. Now insert the battery supplied and close the battery compartment. The radio thermostat will now connect to your Smart Home Controller. The app will now guide you through the simple steps of installing the device. First, remove the old thermostat head from the radiator. To do this, set the thermostat to its maximum setting and unscrew it from the radiator. You might need a pipe wrench to do this. Don't worry, no water can escape. Now you can attach your smart radiator thermostat. Some radiator models need one of the adapters supplied. Whether you need an adapter and which adapter you need can be found in the questions and answers section of our homepage. If an adapter is needed, press the relevant adapter firmly onto the radiator valve, and if necessary, screw it tight. Now press the new thermostat onto the radiator valve and screw it hand tight. Please do not use the pipe wrench. After confirmation in the app, you'll hear the buzzing of the servo motor as the thermostat is calibrated. In the app, select a room from the list or create a new room, and enter a name for your new device. That's all there is to it. Do you have any more questions? Find out more on our website or contact our service department.